Hello guys, good day and welcome back to my channel once again. In this video we are going to quickly discuss about this airdrop that is currently trading right now, which is Swapfone airdrop. It is actually an airdrop that already have their own platform. It is not a Telegram based airdrop, and all you are doing here is to simply mine USDS. Okay, you mine USDS. So in this video, we're going to quickly look at how to mine the airdrop, the tokenomics, and what we're expecting from this project. All you need to do is to watch the video till the end, and if it's the first time or coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. As you can see on the screen, the airdrop don't have app on their own, but what you are going to do is this. When you are here, the first step here is to tap the three dots at the right corner of the screen, which is top right corner of the screen. Then you scroll down, you will see add to home, and that is all. The application will be added to the home of your screen. So how do we achieve this? If we look at up here, you are going to see that option now, which is three dots at the top right corner. You click on it and scroll down a little bit. You are going to see this, which is add to screen, add to home screen. And as you can see, let's create the shortcut now. Then you click on add, and that is all. So if we come back to the home of the screen now, you will see that it is now here, and we're going to open it now. So the next thing I'm going to do now is this. If you look at the bottom of the screen here, you are going to see login with Google. So you are going to click on login with Google, and then you select any of the Google account you want to log in with. Okay, so just select one, and you make sure, since this is a new airdrop, you make sure the Google account you are going to select should be the one you are not using frequently, or you can create new Google account and use it to sign in on this airdrop, because it is a new project. However, we have not recorded any scamming alert about this project, but we cannot guarantee yet since it is a new project. So let me click on my new email now, and guys, as you can see, we have signed in to the airdrop and it have taken us to this place. So all you need to do here is very simple. You are going to mine USDS as stated earlier, and when you are here, the next thing you are going to do is to click on this, which is mine. So you mine per 24 hours. What you get per every hour is 1 USDS. So for 24 hours, you are going to be having 24 USDS. So guys, how cool is this? You have to focus on this airdrop now, since it is a new project and it might give us something better later. Okay, also there are other ways of earning more on this project, which is number one, follow them on X. Okay, so if we follow them on X now, you are going to see that you will also earn more. And on this platform, they have already gotten about 81,000 followers on their Twitter page. This is to show you that a lot of people are really interested in this airdrop. Okay, also when we come back here to the airdrop, the other one is join Telegram, and on Telegram also, let's see how many followers they have. 102,000 subscribers. Guys, this is massive. That means that a lot of people too are also interested in this project on Telegram. So let us come back. What are the other things you can do here? Do other things like clicking on friends and refer friends. So you click up there and copy your invitation code, which is this particular one here. You share it to your friends and family. When they join, you also get some points on this airdrop. Okay, having known how the airdrop works and how we can mine it, the other things you can do on this airdrop are like sending, which is sending the airdrop to your other users on this same swap phone. Okay, that is, you can send them, but it is coming soon, which is after TGE. The other thing you can also do here is receive. you can receive from somewhere, you copy your your address, you give it to the person, or your UID, you give it to the person, then he sent you through. And that one too is coming soon. And the other thing is the withdrawal, which is also showing coming soon. Okay, so now let us get to know more about this airdrop. If we click on the three lines at the top left corner of the screen, we are going to know how the airdrop works, or their target. So here is the white paper of the airdrop. It says that Swapfone is a mobile first centralized exchange, which it says designed for trading 6 major cryptocurrency: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Solana, Tether, which is USDT, Binance Coin, BNB, all paired with a native stable coin, USDS, which is the one we are mining here. Users can mine USDS at a default rate of 1 USDS per hour and increase that rate through referrals as the platform transitions from mining-based distribution to staking-based sustainability. Swapfone introduced a hybrid model of proof of work and proof of stake for its native stable coin economy. Features overview: mobile exchange, 24 hours USDS peers, wallet, send, receive, and portfolio tracking, mining, and USDS with 1 USDS per hour plus referrals boost, explorer, view past transaction, login, Google authentication, which is Firebase, account creation and authentication. Swapfone uses Google authentication for sign up. Upon login, the following information is retrieved: email address, Google display name, and profile picture. So what is the mining mechanism? Number 1, default rate. Users earn 1 USDC per hour upon activating mining. Referral bonus: each referral earns you 1 plus USDS per hour. Okay, instead of earning 1 USDS per hour, the referrals will be boosting it. No maximum limit of referrals. Okay, transition to staking. Mining will close on mainnet launch on 1st of next month 2025. So guys, the mining of the airdrop will be closing on 1st of next month, and after this date, USDS mining will be disabled permanently. Okay, users can stake USDS at a flexible rate in order to earn 13.43% API. Okay, only POS, which is staking, will be available for future USDS rewards. Okay, wallet interface: view Binance USDS, BTC, ETH, SRP, Solana, BNB, and USDT. Send and receive crypto to internal Swapfone accounts. Withdrawal to external wallets available on mainnet launch. So what is the tokenomics? The tokenomics is USDS. USDS is a 1:1 ratio dollar peg stablecoin backed by off-chain liquidity reserves, user staking, and internal ecosystem usage. Supply model: initial table supply, dynamic via mining until 1st of next month, which is 2025. Fee supply post mainnet divided by amount mined plus staking liquidity pool. Staking rewards: 13% API from staking vaults and fees. Now, what is the usage? All Swapfone trading pairs are dominated in USDS. Future purchases via Swapfone Pay will use USDS. Okay, and USDS is required for participating in Launchpad and charity donations. Now, what is the peg mechanism? Although currently off-chain and not redeemable for fiat, USDS uses a soft peg maintained by app liquidity, staking, lockups, and utility-based demand. Future stablecoin audits are planned for 2026. Upcoming features: staking dashboard for USDS 13.43% API, Launchpad, invest in new tokens with USDS, charity, Donate USDS transparently futures trading, leverage tokens for short-long trade, swap phone pay, buy real-world assets using USDS, and here is the roadmap. In Q3 2025, which is next month, mining closes, mainnet launch withdrawals open. And in Q4 2025, launch staking futures launchpad. And in Q1 2026, begin Swapfone Pay and Railworld integration. So, Explorer, users can review historical transaction balances and referral activity via the in-app Explorer. So, guys, here are some of the things you need to know at the moment, and you can also read more about it as they are here. Now, what is the eligibility? The eligibility is that you must be 13 years old plus to use Swapfone. Okay, so you must be 13 years and above. And they say Swapfone is not intended for users under age 13. Okay, and here is the third pattern and all this thing. So you have to read it and start mining the project now. So, however, we cannot say it is 100% guarantee, but remember other coins that have dominated the world of cryptocurrency now, like Bitcoin, which is BTC, Ethereum, and BNB were once mined before, and they were mined in this way. So we can't say it is not okay for now. So give it a trial and let me know in the comment section if you have any challenges. This is what I have for you at the moment, and if you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.